Offhand, careless, without thinking. Disingenuous, unworthy of honor. Halt, to limp. Inadvertently, unintentionally. Bleak, cold and miserable. Thornier problem, troublesome. Jury is still out, not yet decided. Afflict, to cause pain, suffering. Unprecedented, never known or happened before. Languish, to live in miserable or disheartening conditions. Opt, to make choice. Stringent, strict, tight. Stymied, fail, confuse. Horrendous, awful, bad. Lagging, falling behind. Illicit, illegal, prohibited. Condone, to forgive. Punitive, punishment. Profane, unclean. Backlash, sudden backward movement. Wheel start come off, someone or something fails in a sudden or unexpected way. Salient, obvious. Dread, fear greatly. Holy Grail, something that is extremely difficult to find.